got...
No?
You get one autograph and memorabilia card in this of Ohio State.
Yeah.
And they're all Ohio State. Mom got this for me at the Panini National Championship party thing. So, fan celebration. That's where we got your...
Game's tomorrow.
Yes. It's at the Buccaneer Stadium. Dad always says that. Ooh. Dang.
What time we play Saturday?
10 packs. Hold on, how many cards do I need?
The only good thing about it being cold outside is I can let no run outside.
And he'll come back. Yeah.
I didn't tell him he comes back.
Oh, check that out. Doran Garnett. Devin Smith. Higgins Jr.
Some new shoes.
Oh, welcome. Did you guys go in and ask
Base.
if I was there?
Yeah.
Really?
That Chinese dude.
Oh, Miguel.
He looks a little weird.
That's cool. Yeah, Mom said there's a house on fire on the road on 161, but
I know.
Another Devin Smith.
well, that's cool.
Spencer. We got a bunch of them. And don't be giving them away because they're cool.
What are you going to use them for?
We're keeping them.
Put it on your beer.
Are you going with me?
No. We gotta get rid of that shit and that shit and that shit
You
and
can do that when we get back.
I don't want to go. You're not going?
No, I got homework. I got 1-page homework.
Yeah, and then you need to get to sit with me on the plane on the way back.
You did it?
No. Your mom pre-chat or called. We go down, and I had to do my credit card or whatever in the thing. And Mom was with us.
Did you guys fly Southwest?
Mm-hmm. So,
Cameron Hayard.
but my credit
Cool
card
card.
and my ticket popped out. So the lady had to do his.
City
because she
Arena?
didn't have ID and stuff. She had to do credit card, so she did his.
Michael
Started looking down
Bennett.
there, whatever. We start walking away, we leave.
Jared
down.
Solinger.
I look, and mine ain't even the right. It says my name and everything, but
John
it
Simmons.
isn't like the regular one.
Mm-hmm.
But it said that would get me to the pre.
Jake Stolberner.
Your mom's like, as soon as you do that, I said, well, we'll go back up and change it. No, as soon as you do it, go there, find your date, and have him print one up. Well, he was 52. So I'm not give mine up and they give me this. I got through, but I have to have the right one. He goes, oh yeah, there. Well, all right, we'll have kind of like looked at it. Oh, 53. Cool. So they start boarding. We get in line. He goes up there. He's B or A 53. I look at mine and I'm like, oh shit, mine said C35. So I just tried to go on with him. That lady's like, no. Well, that's my son. I was going right now. What that? I'm like, fuck. So I go back. So I'm waiting. I got like 3 people behind me. By the time I got on. We'll go on. The whole thing was plumb full because everybody's waiting to sit down and doing their shit, you know. Alright. Well, when I go up there, then I hear over the loudspeaker, Troy Minturn and someone else. I'm like, what the hell? I walk back out. I'm like, did you guys just say my name over the loudspeaker thing? She goes, Troy Minturn. And she goes, why did you check your mail? I know, I was going to sell my son like that. And she's like, oh, well, you had 2 tickets. You had like 2 boarding passes. I looked at one that said like 6. So I don't know if it's like B6.
Devin Smith.
I'm like, you're fucking kidding me. So then when I go, now I'm the last one in line. So then I get on, he's already sitting 3 people, you know, he's in the middle. I'm like, shit. So I get back as close as I could to him. And I sat beside his dude who's about this fucking wide. So I do 8 and I'm sitting in the middle. Damn it, here he is, like, you know, getting upset and shit because I couldn't sit with him. I'm like, damn it. So I sat down and it is what it is. But
AJ Hawk.
yeah, I was the last one. It wasn't like there was a whole lot of seats to choose
She's from.
So, you know, I texted her mom and told her I'm calling Southwest. I'm like, well, that's bullshit.
Yeah.
So,
What'd you call him?
oh no, I didn't have to.
No, but she called us right back.
She probably did, but we came to the airport and wouldn't come through. That's what it was. It's this slush at the bottom.
Getting down to the last packs. Got 3 more packs. Okay.
Alright, you ready? Sure enough, I'm gonna do this.
Dan here.
That stadium is awesome.
I know that one dude videotaped the whole time.
They said no video showed me take a picture and all this. He was up there and he said,
Didn't try to
the
like.
lady looked right at him too, and I'm like, dude, at least go, you know, like, you know, act like you don't know. He's just like,
Evan Turner.
I'm like, are you
Idiot.
freaking kidding me?
Didn't get in trouble though, so whatever. Devin Smith. Don't want him.
And then today we went to, we're doing got that sponge thing, Tarpon Springs.
Yeah, guess how much that sponge was?
$10.
$20.
No,
Yes, it was.
oh, it was 17 something, wasn't it?
It was
Yeah.
$17.99.
What was all that food?
They're meal prepping.
I haven't got
Well,
one.
the first night we got down there, we went over to Whiskey Joe's. We were sitting outside. It was right. We go to Clearwater, that big little thing. It's the bays in between both, and we go all the way down.
Good
Where your mom
D'Angelo
stayed,
Russell.
Right before that. That's where our hotel was. So you get out, go that way, and you on that. So on the way back, there's that Whiskey Joe's. So we stopped there. That's when I seen
Stadium?
picture of Dylan, his name was singing.
Uh-huh.
That's it, yeah. While we were at Whiskey Joe's, we were sitting outside. So I got a Blue Moon. Then I got jambalaya. It was real saucy. I told your mom, I said, that's, you know, hers is like real dry. I like it like real saucy, like the tomato sauce, whatever. Of course, you know, she's like, you know.
Right.
I'm like, no, I'm just saying. So, got another Blue Moon, then we went inside. Well, then she come over and she goes, well, no. I said, yeah. Well, she brings it over and it's like this far from the top. She's like, oh, we run out. I'll get you another one. I'm like, no, that's all right. This will be fine, you know. I do that. We're sitting there. We're getting ready to leave. Guy comes over. I'm like, all right.
Look.
You didn't get one with the,
Here's the it?
yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. It's
Who's
not a
this?
good one. It's terrible.
Heartline?
Yeah.
He was a good player.
But he didn't make the NFL.
He played in the NFL, bud.
For who?
I'm not sure who, but he did go to the NFL. I don't know if he's still playing, but he did go, didn't he?
Who?
Brett Hartline.
She don't know.
Yeah. You know, I played for that one team.